What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you the differences between OpenCut and Capcut and how to use OpenCut on PC, Windows, Linux, and Mac. First, let's compare the two. OpenCut is free and open source, while CapCut uses a premium model with some advanced features requiring a subscription. OpenCut also focuses on privacy and local editing, giving you more control over your files. CapCut, meanwhile, offers a more established editing experience with a wider range of built-in tools and features. Now, let's see how to use OpenCut. Open your browser and go to the official OpenCut website. The current version can be used directly from the web, so you don't need to install anything to get started. If you're an advanced user, OpenCut also provides its source code on GitHub. The project includes desktop support for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, although the native desktop version is still under development. So, if you want a free and open source alternative to CapCut, OpenCut is worth checking out. If you prefer a more mature editor with a larger selection of built-in features, CapCut may be a better choice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this. Peace.